So we start from transitive first. Okay, it's easy because in intransitive, the characteristics we see here, there is a suffix meng, mem, meng, menye, yeah. Okay, so there is a suffix sometimes me, and then mem, meng, menye. Okay, so please look at my explanation about verbs in Bahasa Indonesia on my playlist on my YouTube, so you can study from there, so that you know how to differ between when we use me, mem, meng, and menye. Okay, it depends on the root word, the root of the verb. So it depends also on the first letter of the root word. Okay, yeah. So we study here meng, mem, meng, menye, and mem, sometimes me. Yeah, it shows us that the verb is transitive verb. Okay, Budi mengerjakan tugasnya. Mengerjakan is transitive verb because tugasnya is an object here. So mengerjakan needs an object. So an object here is tugasnya. Here membuat is a transitive verb because we need object boneka here. And then menghasilkan, this is the noun phrase 10 ton beras. That's the noun phrase. We need an object here. Okay. Kami menyanyikan sebuah lagu. Sebuah lagu is an object here. Okay. So this is the translation into English. Budi mengerjakan tugasnya dengan rapi. Budi does his work tidily. Intan membuat boneka dari kertas. Intan makes a doll from papers. Ladang itu menghasilkan 100 ton beras setiap tahun. The farm produces 100 tons of rice every year. Number 4, kami menyanyikan sebuah lagu di pesta itu tadi malam. We sang a song. So a song is an object. Okay, sebuah lagu, a song. Okay, so we go on to intransitive verbs. That's easy because we only see the characters of the characteristic of intransitive verb in Bahasa Indonesia. We see here the suffix be or ber. So we see the suffix be or ber. Okay. So this is these are the examples. Budi bekerja. This is mengerjakan, me and kan. Yeah. Suffix me and prefix men and suffix kan, it relates to, it shows us that the verb is transitive verb. But if we see only be, and then be followed by the base word, the root word of the verb, so it means that is intransitive verb. Budi bekerja di sebuah bank. Budi works in a bank. So in Bahasa Inggris, bekerja works and mengerjakan do, does, that. Intan berbuat salah dalam ujiannya. Intan did wrong on her exam. Berbuat, sometimes berbuat is followed by baik, good, and sometimes salah or wrong. Berbuat baik, do good. Berbuat salah, do wrong. Okay. Ibuku berhasil. Berhasil, menghasilkan is different from berhasil. Menghasilkan is transitive verb. Berhasil is transitive verb. Intransitive, sorry. This is intransitive because we don't need an object. Ya. Ibuku berhasil. Kami bernyanyi. So menyanyikan and bernyanyi, they are different. Menyanyikan transitive verb because after menyanyikan we need an object here. But after the verb bernyanyi, we don't need any object. Okay, so this is the characters of transitive and intransitive verbs in Bahasa Indonesia. Thank you.